Hi, welcome to another Eco Tips edition of Eco Penny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. Today I'm going to show you my zero waste festival kit. So now the pandemic's finally receding a little bit. It's still out there, so still got to be careful, but at least more events are opening up. At festivals, you have to get the food from takeaway vans and food trucks, and there's a lot of waste involved: plastic plates, cups, single-use plastic cutlery and all that sort of thing. So it makes sense to bring your own zero waste festival kit with cutlery, cups, coffee cups, your own containers to put food in, so at least you can reuse and wash those items, so you're not going to have single waste rubbish going to the tip. So if you're at a restaurant and you need a doggy bag because you've got some food that you want to bring home that you can't eat, it's handy to have those containers in the car boot already, ready to go. Welcome to the Forbes Frost and Fire Festival. So I can try out all the cups and cutlery and containers I've got. It'll be useful for the takeaway vans around here. I got your back.
Because it's such a beautiful place, and it's a Wiradjuri land. To the elders, both past and present, and the local Wiradjuri people, the traditional owners of this land.
He came in closer to check it out. But once he picked it up, the sound stopped. He sat it back down and went to continue his journey. But when he sat it down, the noise started again. At first, he couldn't mimic the sound of the wind. Yiraki was very happy with his newfound ability, but he realised he could only play for a certain amount of time before he needed to stop and take a breath. This is when he discovered a technique known today as circular breathing, pushing the air out of your mouth and breathing in your nose at the same time. This technique allows you to play for extended periods of time, as well as helps you hold and create rhythm.
Oh, you let me go down, down, oh. I wanna rebel, rebel, rebel.
Thank you. Thanks, Smith & Jones. I hope you're having a great night.
Hopefully this video encourages others to bring their own bowls or plates or cutlery and cups to events, so you're not contributing to the landfill problem of single-use plastic ending up in landfill and contaminating the environment. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.